Forever chemicals might be in your water. Low levels of PFAS are showing up in water supplies all across the region.
And today, the federal government finalizing new requirements for our drinking water. Jason Calvi looks at the local data and what you can do to keep your family safe.
PFAS are man-made and called forever chemicals.
At this point, you can't avoid these chemicals. They're in a lot of things.
Things like nonstick frying pans, waterproof clothing, cosmetics, and firefighting foam. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency says PFAS may lead to decreased fertility, increased risk of some cancers, and more.
There was a study done that showed that it had developmental impacts at way lower concentrations than what we had previously thought.
PFAS has been detected in water utilities across our region, including here in Brown Deer. This Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources map shows some of them. Take a look. Milwaukee Waterworks has been testing for PFAS since 2008.
Currently, all of the levels that we've been testing have been below the new limits.
Milwaukee Waterworks says drinking water samples were between 2 and 3.1 parts per trillion for two common PFAS compounds. The EPA's now finalized rules require those numbers be below 4 parts per trillion. Utilities warn it will cost billions, with the extra costs passed along to you. The EPA says the new rules will save lives. As for your home,
if you have concerns about those levels, I definitely encourage you to filter your water. But I drink the water unfiltered every day.
Here, I drink Lake Michigan water. I don't have a filter on my tap right at the moment.
As the nation now changes its requirements for your water. In Milwaukee, Jason Calvi, Fox 6 News.
Now, on the state level, Wisconsin's Democratic governor and Republican legislature agree that this is a problem. However, they haven't been able to agree on the plan for dealing with PFAS. Wisconsin Governor Evers this week vetoing a Republican bill. He called the legislators' Joint Finance Committee to meet next week.